Yo, what's up? I'm Coach Ray, and today I'm breaking down absolutely everything you need to know before your very first gym visit. Start to finish, A to Z. By the time this video's over, you'll walk in like you've been doing this for years. Walking into a gym for the first time is a big step, and I'm proud of you for taking it. Most people never even get this far, so give yourself credit. You're already ahead of the game. Before you touch a single weight, get a quick medical checkup. Especially if you've got any health conditions. Safety always comes first. No exceptions, no shortcuts. Know your goal. Are you here to lose fat and finally feel lighter on your feet? Or are you chasing size and strength, packing on real solid muscle? Or maybe you're just here to feel better overall, more energy, better health, a stronger version of you. Whatever it is, your goal decides your entire plan. So get clear on it now. Pick the right gym. Location matters more than people realize. Go somewhere close to home or work, because if it's a hassle to get there, you simply won't go. Check that the equipment is well maintained and the place is actually clean. A gym that takes care of its space usually takes care of its members too. Make sure trainers are around to help beginners like you when you need it. Having someone to ask, "Am I doing this right?" makes all the difference early on. Pack your gym bag the right way. Proper shoes, a towel, a water bottle, and a spare shirt. Trust me, you'll thank yourself later when you're not stuck sweaty and unprepared. Wear comfortable, breathable clothes that let you move freely. If you're tugging at your shirt mid-set, you're not focused on the workout. Invest in real gym shoes. They protect your joints and give you the grip you need. Running shoes and gym shoes are not the same thing, so don't skip this one. Hydrate before you train. Show up dehydrated and you'll gas out way before your muscles even get tired. And eat a light meal about 1 to 2 hours beforehand. Enough fuel to power through, but not a heavy stomach weighing you down. Never, ever skip your warm-up. It's not optional, it's not a waste of time. It's what keeps you training tomorrow instead of nursing an injury. 5 to 10 minutes of light cardio and dynamic stretching wakes up your muscles. It gets your blood flowing and your joints ready to actually work. Take time to learn the equipment. Cardio machines, free weights, and resistance machines all serve different purposes. Don't just wander around guessing. Understand what each one is actually for. Free weights build stability and control because your body has to do the balancing work. Machines, on the other hand, are safer for isolating specific muscles as a beginner. Master your form before you even think about adding weight. Perfect reps with light weight. Beat sloppy reps with heavy weight every single time. Start light. Don't let your ego pick your dumbbells. Nobody's impressed by bad form, but everybody notices an injury. If your gym offers a free orientation or trainer session, take it. It's free knowledge that can save you months of trial and error. Follow a structured plan instead of random exercises. Wandering the gym doing whatever looks fun gets you nowhere fast. Rest between sets, usually 30 to 90 seconds. Your muscles need that window to recover enough for the next set to count. Control your breathing. Exhale on effort, inhale on the release. It sounds small, but it keeps you strong and steady through every rep. Let's talk about the mistakes almost every beginner makes, starting with skipping the warm-up. It's the very first thing people cut, and it costs them the most. Using the wrong form just to lift heavier. That's not progress. That's just a shortcut to getting hurt. Training every single day with zero rest. Your muscles don't grow in the gym. They grow when you let them recover. Comparing yourself to the guy benching double your weight. He's not on your timeline, and honestly, he doesn't even know you exist. And ignoring your body's need to recover, pushing through fatigue like it's a badge of honor. Avoid every single one of these mistakes starting today. Learn gym etiquette. Always re-rack your weights when you're done. It's basic respect, and it makes the whole gym run smoother for everyone. Wipe down machines after use. Nobody wants to hop on a bench covered in someone else's sweat. Don't hog equipment, especially during busy hours. Ask to work in with someone or share the machine. It's not that hard. And always respect other people's space and workout. Everyone's on their own journey, so let them focus on theirs. After your session, cool down. It brings your heart rate down safely instead of leaving you dizzy or lightheaded. Stretch it out. It keeps your muscles flexible and ready to go for your next session. Skip it and you'll feel it the next morning. Refuel with protein to help your muscles recover and actually rebuild stronger. This is where the real gains happen. And keep drinking water and eating some carbs to support recovery. Your body just did work. Give it what it needs to bounce back. Sleep is where the real growth actually happens. So protect your 7 to 8 hours a night like it's part of your training program, because it is. Remember this, consistency always beats intensity. One brutal workout means nothing. Showing up week after week means everything. Track your progress with photos, numbers, or a simple journal. Progress is often too slow to see day to day, but the data won't lie to you. Don't compare your day 1 to somebody else's day 100. That's not a fair fight, and it's not the point anyway. Listen to your body. It's always talking to you, even when you don't want to hear it. Sharp pain, dizziness, or extreme fatigue means stop immediately and rest. Pushing through those signals isn't tough, it's reckless. But here's the payoff. A stronger body, a sharper mind, better sleep, more confidence, and energy for every single part of your life. This is bigger than just the gym. So be patient with yourself, trust the process, and just keep showing up. That's how real transformation actually happens. One honest session at a time. I'm Coach Ray, and I'll see you at the gym. Let's get it. Subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Your first workout is coming up next.